Welcome back to Life Compass, the podcast we navigate the journey of life together. I'm Izanor and
And I'm Amira. And today, Izanor will talking about something deeply personal and profoundly universal. Reflection on life, those moments where we pause, take stock, and consider the path we've traveled.
exactly. And it's amazing how different those reflections can be, even for people who've experienced similar milestones. I was just thinking about a conversation I had with my grandmother last week. She talked about her regrets, not the big dramatic ones, but the small missed opportunities, a phone call not made, a kind word left unspoken.
That's powerful, Izanor. It highlights how easily we can overlook the significance of seemingly small moments. For me, it's often the unexpected detours that have shaped my life the most. A chance encounter, a spontaneous decision, this unplanned event often lead to the most significant discoveries and personal growth.
I completely agree, and it makes me think about how much of our lives is spent planning, striving, aiming for some distant goal. But sometimes, the most fulfilling moments are the unplanned ones, the ones that catch us off guard and remind us to live in the present.
It's a constant balancing act, is it not it, the pursuit of goals and the acceptance of the unexpected. I think we often get so caught up in the doing that we forget the being. We're constantly striving, achieving, but rarely taking the time to simply be present and appreciate the journey itself.
And that ties into the importance of gratitude, doesn't it? Taking time each day to acknowledge the good things, big or small. It's easy to get bogged down in the negative, but focusing on gratitude shifts the perspective entirely. I've been trying to incorporate more mindfulness into my daily routine, and it's made a huge difference in my overall outlook.
I found the same thing. Even something as simple as noticing the beauty of a sunrise, of the warmth of a friendly smile can completely alter my mood. It reminds me to appreciate the simple things, the everyday miracle that often go unnoticed.
And it's not just about the positive experiences either. Reflection also involves acknowledging the challenges, the setbacks, the moments of hardship. Those are often the times when we learn the most valuable lessons about ourselves and our resilience.
Absolutely. Is it in those difficulty times that we discover our inner strength, our capacity for empathy, and our ability to overcome adversity? Is a process of growth, a refining of the soul, if you will.
So, listeners, as we wrap up today's episode, we encourage you to take some time for quiet reflection. What moments have you shaped your life? What lesson have you learned? Share your thoughts with us on social media using hashtag LifeCompassPodcast.
And remember, this journey of life is a continuous process of learning, growing, and reflecting. Embrace the unexpected, appreciate the present, and never stop exploring the depth of your own being.